What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be comparing a wheel cleaner. So I got two wheel cleaners here. One is ArmorALL Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and one is BlackMagic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner. So the reason I'm doing this video is you go in the store and you have 4 or 5 different wheel cleaners. One may be $4, one may be $5, or 10 or more, whatever. But how you know which one is the best? So the ArmorALL was $4.47 at Walmart, and the BlackMagic was $5.27. So I'm gonna spray them on. We're gonna try them out and see how they do. So the ArmorALL wheel tire cleaner says it's safe for coated factory and aftermarket wheels, dissolve brake dust and road grime, powerful foaming formula. So directions: clean one wheel at a time, yada yada yada. Wear protection, wet cool wheel with hose, whole bottle 6 inches. Allow penetrate for 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna wet the tire and then spray this for a few times and allow 30 seconds and see what happens. I'm also gonna count the sprays. Okay, so I did a little over 50 sprays. I can't remember, after about 50 I lost count, but we can already see the brake dust and everything starting to come off the tire. I don't see the changing of the colors on the rims, but we're gonna spray it off and see what it's done. It's been about 30 seconds now. So I got this sprayed off. I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna go to the other side and see what we can do with the BlackMagic wheel cleaner. So now I'm gonna try on another rim or wheel. We got the BlackMagic No Scrub, balance for all wheels, easily removes brake dust, grease, road grime. Okay, so the directions for this one, I don't know if it's gonna be backwards or not, it probably will. But no scrub allowed, set for a minute or two. So this one's saying you actually spray first and then so you spray the content and then you rinse off. The other one said wet the tire first and spray the content. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do.
This one is less foamy.
So on the BlackMagic, it's not as foamy, and also we don't see much reaction, but that doesn't mean it's not working. So I'll give it about a minute or two like it calls for and spray it off and see how it looks. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I'll let this dry. So actually, the ArmorALL wheel and tire cleaner, and like I said again, this is a no scrub test. So I mean, from what I can tell, it didn't work too good. No scrub, just spraying it on and spraying it off with a water hose. We're gonna check the other side and see what it looks like. Okay, so this side is the BlackMagic. It's not totally done drying, but if I look right here, it still has a lot of brake dust on it. So I say both of these wheels are about the same. Both of these, this being $5 and some change, and this one here being $4 and some change. So as far as both of these wheel cleaners go, I'd say they're probably about the same. I would just get the cheaper one. Looking at both of these wheel cleaners, it looks like the ArmorALL tire cleaner did a little bit better. I could see it reacting more. The Black Magic, I couldn't see as much reaction. And also the ArmorAll was cheaper. So if I had to choose one for a win, I would choose the ArmorAll. But at the end of the day, I say they're both about the same. You're still going to have to scrub pretty decent to get most of the brake dust off. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.